This video is about making an all-in-one white sauce. It's a sauce that can be used in many dishes and different ingredients can be added, such as cheese, herbs, and pesto. Place a saucepan on the hob, choosing the right size ring for the pan. Make sure that the handle is facing away from the edge of the cooker. Put all ingredients in a saucepan: milk, butter or hard fat, and flour. Turn on the heat to full. Holding the saucepan handle, whisk all the ingredients together continuously until they form a thick sauce. Turn down the heat, allowing the thickened sauce to simmer for a few minutes. Then, turn off the heat. You can add other flavorings like grated cheese, mustard, or chopped herbs at this stage. Remember, add the milk, butter, and flour to the saucepan. Turn on the hob. Whisk continuously until thick. Simmer for a few minutes.